But yes, I just want to let you guys know Tenacity Academy, A1. Really good mentorship. She helps you with any and everything. Questions, oh my God, you can ask a million questions and she delivers with a good spirit. She delivers. You know, sometimes you can ask a lot of people questions and they be like, dang, dang, dang. But you know what? She was A1 with it. And I really appreciate the mentorship. She's very open, transparent, and a good mentorship program to join. So if anybody's looking for any help, oh my gosh, you guys got to get in where you fit in. Tenacity Academy. Oh, and I don't know if I said that my business is Red Carpet Experience. I'm out here in Conyers, Georgia. And we appreciate you out here, Tenacity. Thanks. Oh, and thanks for my gun. My, whatchamacallit? My fogger. Thank you for my fogger. I'm going to send you that picture too. Thanks. Have a good night.
How's it going, everybody? This is Christine with Tenacity Cleaning. I just want to take a few moments to give a shout out to Tenacity Academy, Katrina Johnson, a boss lady. That's what I call her anyway. So anyway, I can't say enough about this company, not just the company itself, but Katrina Johnson and her team. This is one of the best investments that I've ever made, and I'm still just moving along, and they are there with me every step of the way. They really want to see you win. They want to see you succeed, and already they helped me land my first contract. I'm working on additional contracts as we speak, and I just got started. And I'm very, very excited. Katrina, she's extremely professional. She's cool, down to earth, you know, just transparent, 09. And she really makes herself available, you know, to her mentees all the time. And it's amazing to me how someone so successful, has so much going on, actually makes time for us, you know. And if you're just sitting on the sideline, all I can really say is go for it. Like, this is really worth it. This is worth the investment. It's worth the time. It's worth the sacrifice. If you have goals, go for them. There's no sense in waiting. I mean, time is ticking, and I'm really glad that I took the leap of faith and, you know, pursue one of my dreams, and I'm living it out now. So I'm just really excited to see what the next level brings. And in the meantime, I have not used my fogger yet, which thank you KJ, but I'm looking forward to it. So like I said, if you're sitting on the sidelines and you're twiddling your thumbs and you're trying to figure out, okay, what am I going to do now, what's my next move, now is the time. Just say yes, jump on in, and Tenacity Academy is going to help you along the way. I promise you that. Have a good one. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Chevelle from Simply Dramatic Cleaning. I joined Miss Katrina Johnson mentorship program back in November. Prior to this, I had no sense of direction in my business. I didn't know what I was doing, but she came along and she held my hands without holding my hands, if that makes any sense. She gives you a gold mine of information that I know no one else is out there doing. So I just want to know what you're waiting on to book your consultation. Stop waiting. Make that call.
Business. Hey y'all, I just wanted to do a real quick review for Tenacity Academy. Oh my goodness. So when I started with Tenacity Academy, I was actually still working in my business, and I really wasn't bringing in much money. With last year, COVID going on, it really threw me off, and I really wasn't sure how to navigate through anything, you know, as far as in my business. So I decided to join Tenacity Academy because I really wanted some great coaching to help me scale my business. Let me tell you, if you haven't joined, you better tap in. I stepped out of my business September. October, I made $10,000 from just stepping out and going out on faith, following my coach. Miss Katrina, she is amazing. Someone that puts their heart and soul into everything that you do, and who makes themselves available to your needs. It doesn't matter what stage your business is in. She's going to meet you where you are, accept where you are, understand your situation, understand the growth that you're trying to have, and she's going to help provide you with the proper resources and materials, things that you need to help put systems inside of your business to grow. Not only that, she's going to celebrate them victories. Like, on top of that, she will send you leads every single month. Now, it's your job to close your own leads. That's not her job. She's helping you. Do you know how long it even takes to get a lead sometimes? All you need is a few contracts, starting out. You don't have to be greedy, think you need this, or that. Growth happens slowly. It doesn't always happen really, really fast. So that's what I learned in this business. You have to be in it for the long haul. You have to be patient. You have to be patient with yourself, but you have to be realistic as well as where are you and where are you trying to go, within your business. And you have to be willing to put in the work. It's not just all hustle all the time. Hustling gets you a lot, but sometimes it's taking a step back and having clarity and proper processes to help push your business forward. I mean, whatever your business model is developed around. But what I can say is Tenacity Academy has helped me to achieve that. And she has really just been my encouragement in times where I'm just like, how am I going to do this with my business? What am I going to do next? And she's always helped to just say, push forward as an entrepreneur. Take your lessons that you're learning, those lessons of pain, because you will go through some pain. You will go through some pain where you just like, man, this is crazy. Why did this happen? Blah, 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 blah. She's going to help you to understand. Don't even make excuses for yourself. No matter what, move forward, excel, prosper, build generational wealth. Everything that you want to do in your mind, all that greatness that you have inside, it's time for it to come out. And her program helps you to fulfill your calling, your light as an entrepreneur. And for that, I highly recommend her services, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So if you haven't joined, join. Tap in, help your business grow, help your mind grow, help your team grow. Because one thing I will say, when you're in this business, you can't just be in it just for money. It has to be passion that fuels this energy. You have to love to be a person of service. You have to love to be a person that wants to build something long lasting, not just for you, but for your team. Because if your team is eating, you're eating, and that's how it trickles down. So you have to be sort of a caregiver as a boss. But I love it.
My name is Ashley. I am the owner of Scrubbusters Cleaning here in Atlanta, Georgia. You can follow us at Scrubbusters Cleaning ATL, or you can go online at www.scrubbusterscleaning.com. I am under Ms. Johnson's mentorship program. With Ms. Johnson's mentorship program, I have learned valuable information that helped me quit my 9-to-5 and become a full-time business owner. Thank you so much, Tenacity Mentorship Program.
Hey, I'm Kamisha. I'm the owner of Simply Southern Cleaning Solution out of Georgia. I joined the Tenacity Academy around October of 2020, and I am so glad I did. The Tenacity Academy actually helped me develop systems inside of my new business, helped me generate leads that I'm still following up to in the year 2021. It helped me gain the confidence that I needed for my business to grow throughout the end of 2020 as well as 2021. Anybody looking to start a new cleaning business or just change the internal systems of your cleaning business that you currently have, I highly recommend Ms. Katrina and her Tenacity Academy. She's given me jewels that I still use to this day inside of my business. The coaching calls were amazing at the end of every week. It helped me gain momentum for the next week. It helped me reset my mind, helped me re-strategize on things that I didn't really feel confident in. All in all, I highly recommend anybody starting out or even anyone that's stagnant in their cleaning business, feeling like they can't continue or they don't know where to begin again. I highly recommend Ms. Katrina's Tenacity Academy. It definitely changed the trajectory for my cleaning business. Thank you.